Good morning students. Today we are going to see the types of cells. So in our day-to-day life we are using many cells and batteries for functioning of some of the remote cars, then toy cars, then clock, cell phone. So even though we are using these are the devices, why we are using to produce the electrical energy. So that only we are using these are the devices. So some of the cells are reusable and some it cannot be reused again. Do you know the reason why we are using single time and why we cannot use the again and again? So based on that, we are having two types of cells, that is primary cell and the secondary cell. So the primary cell is that is a dry cell and it is commonly used in the torches. So this is the example for the primary cell. So the primary cell cannot be recharged again and again. It is used only once. So next, secondary cell. So the secondary cell that is used in automobiles and the generators. So the chemical reaction that can be used again and again, so it can be recharged. For example, UPS batteries, then automobile batteries, so this can be charged and that can be used. So lithium cells, cylindrical cells, button cells, alkaline cells, so these are the other types. These are the other types of cells that is in the secondary cell. So next we can see the primary cell is a simple dry cell. So the primary so what is the dry cell is a one type of the chemical cell that is commonly used in the form of the batteries. For many batteries we are using for many electrical appliances, we are using the batteries. So that is a convenient source for electricity available in the portable. So, and in which year it was developed means it was developed in the year 1887. So the dry cell is normally that is used in the small devices. That is a remote. Already we saw in the primary cell that is a remote control for TV, torch, camera, and the toys. And the dry cell is a portable form of, that is a Leclanche cell. Portable form of Leclanche cell. So that consists of a zinc vessel. The dry cell has is a zinc vessel that is acting as a positive electrode or anode. That is acting as a positive electrode or anode. So the vessel contains the moist. That vessel contains a moist paste of sawdust that is saturated with the solution of ammonium chloride. That is the ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. So it has a paste sawdust that is a saturated solution. That solution is a ammonium chloride and the zinc chloride. Then ammonium chloride that is acting as a electrolyte. Ammonium chloride is acting as a electrolyte. Then the purpose of zinc chloride is to maintain the moistness of the paste for the highly hygroscopic. For the purpose of the to maintain the moistness only we are using the zinc chloride. Then the carbon rod is covered with the brass cap that is placed in the middle of the vessel. So that is acting as a negative electrode or cathode. Negative electrode or cathode. So that is surrounded by the closely packed mixture of charcoal and the manganese dioxide, that is MnO2. That is closely packed with a mixture of charcoal and the manganese dioxide, that is MnO2 in the muslin bag. So the MnO2 that is acting as a depolarizer. MnO2 is acting as a depolarizer. So the zinc vessel is sealed at the top with the pitch or shellac. So the small hole is provided inside the small hole is allowed for the gases formed by the chemical action to escape. The chemical action that is inside the cell is the same as in the Leclanche cell. So this is the dry cell. So that yellow color part is a paste of MnO2. What is that paste? Zinc chloride and the ammonium chloride. So that is the then cathode. Center part is the graphite rod, that is a cathode. Then the pink color is the anode, that is zinc inner case. So this is the dry cell. Thank you students.